Diving into the world of shotguns can be thrilling, but also a bit intimidating. If you're just starting out, you're probably feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of options out there. With so many models to choose from, how do you decide which one is right for you? Should you go for something budget-friendly or aim for higher quality? To make your decision easier, we've put together a list of top-rated shotguns that are perfect for beginners. These will give you a solid foundation as you begin your journey into shooting. Ready to discover which shotgun might be your perfect match? Let's get into it. 8. Ithaca Model 37. Kicking off our list is the Ithaca Model 37, a fantastic option for anyone new to shotguns. What makes it unique is its bottom ejecting mechanism. Unlike traditional side ejecting models, this one expels spent shells downward, which helps avoid distractions and prevents cases from flying into your line of sight. Its pump-action design is not only reliable, but also reduces the chances of jamming, making it a dependable choice for both hunting and sport shooting. The Model 37 comes in a variety of gauges, 12, 20, and 28, so you can choose the one that best fits your comfort level and intended use. Visually, the shotgun is a real standout. It features a rich walnut stock with beautiful grain patterns, and the receiver is embellished with elegant engraved hunting scenes, adding a classic touch to its appearance. Lightweight and well-balanced, this shotgun is a dream to carry on long outdoor sessions. It sits comfortably in your hands, helping reduce fatigue during extended use, something every new shooter will appreciate. So if you're just stepping into the shooting world and want a trustworthy, stylish, and easy-to-handle shotgun, the Ithaca Model 37 is definitely worth your consideration. 7. Maverick 88. Thinking about jumping into the world of shotguns? The Maverick 88 is a fantastic place to start. One of its biggest advantages is the price. It's incredibly affordable, making it perfect for beginners who want quality without spending a fortune. But don't let the price tag fool you. This shotgun delivers solid performance. It comes equipped with a durable synthetic stock and forend, which hold up well in all kinds of weather. Whether it's rain, dust, or mud, the Maverick 88 is built to take it. In terms of versatility, you've got choices. The shotgun comes in 6-shot or 8-shot capacities, and it's available in both 12-gauge and 20-gauge variants. For new shooters, the 20-gauge option is great. It has less recoil and is easier to manage. Maintenance is also a breeze. With a simple single-pin takedown, cleaning the Maverick 88 is quick and hassle-free. Safety-wise, it features a cross-bolt safety just in front of the trigger guard, helping to prevent accidental firing by locking the trigger until you're ready. It's packed with practical mechanics too: dual extractors, twin action bars, and an anti-jam elevator all work together to provide a smooth, reliable shooting experience every time. At the end of the day, the Maverick 88 stands out as an incredibly dependable and cost-effective shotgun for beginners. 6. Benelli Nova. When you're just starting out, the Benelli Nova is a name that comes up often and for good reason. It's a rugged, no-nonsense shotgun that's built to perform in tough environments. Whether you're out in the rain, hiking through swampy terrain, or just spending hours at the range, what really makes it durable is its one-piece design featuring a corrosion-resistant polymer frame that combines the receiver and stock into a single solid structure. It's designed to last, even with heavy use. One standout feature is the magazine cutoff switch. This lets you remove a chambered round and load a new one directly, without cycling the next shell from the magazine, ideal for when you need to quickly change ammo types on the fly. The barrel is also worth mentioning. Made from matte finish steel, it's topped with a vented rib for better sight alignment. You also get a mid-bead and a red fiber optic front sight, which make targeting faster and more accurate, especially helpful for newer shooters. Comfort and control haven't been overlooked either. The Nova includes an ergonomic pump handle that gives you a firm, confident grip, while the dual-action bars ensure smooth, Jam-free cycling with every shot. With its rock-solid reliability and user-friendly design, the Benelli Nova earns its spot as one of the top beginner-friendly shotguns available. 5. Stoeger P3000. Looking for a shotgun that delivers solid performance without breaking the bank? The Stoeger P3000 is a great entry-level option that combines durability with affordability, perfect for those just starting out in the world of shooting. One of its standout features is the dual action bars, which ensure smooth and reliable cycling with every shot. Whether you're using 2.75-inch or 3-inch shells, this pump-action shotgun won't let you down. The ventilated, stepped rib along the barrel not only helps reduce overall weight, but also keeps the barrel cooler during long shooting sessions, so you can stay comfortable and focused. Target acquisition is a breeze, thanks to the bright red front sight, which pairs perfectly with the ribbed barrel for quick and accurate aiming. It's an ideal setup for beginners still getting used to fast target transitions. The black synthetic stock is built to withstand rugged use in all kinds of environments. Plus, the built-in recoil pad softens the kick of each shot, which makes a huge difference when you're learning and building confidence. Simple, reliable, and tough, the Stoeger P3000 is a no-fuss shotgun that's ready for whatever you throw at it. If you're new to shooting and want something dependable, this one's definitely worth a look. 4. Mossberg 500 and 590. The Mossberg 500 and 590 are legendary names in the shotgun world, and for good reason. They've earned their reputation as go-to options for both new shooters and seasoned pros alike. Let's start with the Mossberg 500. It's a classic pump-action shotgun, known for its versatility and reliability. Available in a range of gauges, including 12, 20, and .410, it gives you plenty of options depending on your comfort level and intended use. Its aluminum receiver helps keep the overall weight down, making it easy to carry on long hunting trips or extended sessions at the range. The shotgun is also packed with smart features, like dual action bars for smooth operation and an anti-jam elevator to keep feeding and ejection problems at bay. Now, if you want something a bit more robust, the Mossberg 590 is essentially the upgraded version. It comes with a heavier barrel and offers larger magazine capacities up to 9 rounds, making it ideal for tactical or high-stress situations where failure isn't an option. Both the 500 and 590 are trusted for their rugged build, ease of use, and outstanding reliability. And for beginners, they offer peace of mind and a user-friendly experience that makes learning the ropes feel natural and stress-free. Whether you choose the 500 or go for the more tactical 590, you're getting one of the most dependable shotguns on the market. 3. Winchester SXP. If you're after a shotgun that adapts to just about any shooting scenario, the Winchester SXP should be on your radar. Whether you're looking for something tactical or geared toward hunting, the SXP has a version tailored to your needs. For home defense or tactical use, the SXP Defender comes with a compact barrel and user-friendly controls that make it quick and easy to handle. On the flip side, if you're heading into the wilderness, the SXP Waterfowl Hunter is equipped with a longer barrel ideal for precision shooting in open environments. What sets the SXP apart is its backboard barrel design, which improves shot patterns by reducing pellet deformation, giving you more consistent accuracy, especially over longer ranges. Maintenance is simple too, thanks to the dropout trigger group, which makes cleaning the internal components straightforward and hassle-free. Another big win for beginners is the Inflex recoil pad, which significantly reduces felt recoil. That means less shoulder fatigue and a more enjoyable shooting experience even with heavier loads. To top it off, the SXP includes 3 Invector Plus choke tubes, allowing you to fine-tune your shot spread depending on what you're aiming for. Whether you're hunting, target shooting, or just getting started, the Winchester SXP offers flexibility, comfort, and precision in one sleek package. 2. Remingtn 870 Express. Looking for a dependable shotgun that won't empty your wallet? The Remingtn 870 Express has long been a favorite among beginners for its quality, durability, and affordability. Built to handle tough environments, the 870 features a receiver milled from a solid block of steel, giving it unmatched strength and long-term reliability. The twin action bars are engineered to deliver smooth, jam-free cycling, even when conditions aren't ideal, by preventing binding and twisting. One of the things shooters love about the 870 is its natural feel. It shoulders effortlessly, making it easier to stay on target, especially useful for those just getting familiar with shooting mechanics. The black synthetic stock and forend are rugged enough to endure mud, rain, and everything in between. Whether you're in a marsh or on the range, this shotgun is built to keep working without a fuss. For those long treks in the field, the built-in sling swivel studs make it easy to attach a strap, so you can carry it more comfortably and reduce fatigue. Add in a rubber recoil pad to help soften the kick, and you've got a shotgun that's both tough and beginner-friendly. The Remingtn 870 Express is a time-tested classic that continues to earn its reputation as one of the best all-around choices for first-time shotgun owners. 1. Beretta A300. If you're a first-time shooter looking for a smooth, modern shotgun experience, the Beretta A300 is an excellent place to start. This semi-automatic shotgun uses a gas-operated system that functions reliably with a wide range of loads. Whether you're using light birdshot or heavy-duty rounds, the cycling stays consistent and smooth. A major highlight for new shooters is the kickoff recoil reduction system. This feature helps absorb the impact of each shot, making the shooting experience more comfortable and reducing fatigue, especially during extended use. The slim forend gives the A300 a streamlined look and feel, making it easy to maneuver and control. It also features M-LOK attachment points, so you can easily customize your shotgun with accessories like lights, grips, or bipods. There's also a Picatinny rail with 7 slots on top of the receiver, offering a solid platform for mounting red dots or optics, great for boosting your accuracy right out of the gate. User-friendliness continues with oversized controls, including a large charging handle and bolt release, which make operation quick and simple even with gloves on. Reloading is also a breeze thanks to the extended magazine tube and a widened loading port that allows for faster and easier shell insertion. Overall, the Beretta A300 offers top-tier performance in a beginner-friendly package. It's reliable, customizable, and built for comfort, making it an outstanding choice for anyone starting their shooting journey. If you're just stepping into the world of shotguns, it's all about finding something that's easy to use, reliable, and budget-conscious. The models we've featured today check all those boxes, giving new shooters a solid foundation without sacrificing performance. Take a look at the features. Pick the one that suits your needs and style, and you'll be ready to kick off your shooting journey with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of beginner-friendly shotguns, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting content on the latest firearms. Until next time, stay safe, shoot smart, and have fun out there.